Welcome, future game changers. Get ready to unlock the secrets of ace time management for your mind-blowing pitch deck presentations. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on a journey where we make every second count, leaving a lasting impact. Imagine this: you step onto the stage, facing the individuals who hold the key to your dreams. Your heart races with anticipation, but your mind remains razor-sharp, focused on the task at hand. Now, let's dive deep into our foolproof strategies that will ensure your success in this exhilarating challenge. First and foremost, it's crucial to gain crystal clarity regarding your mission. It's not just about maintaining focus, it's about crafting a captivating pitch that is akin to an adventure map, guiding your audience through an unforgettable experience. Ever heard of the rule of 3? This simple yet powerful technique works like magic. Handpick the 3 most compelling aspects of your pitch that you want your audience to remember. By doing so, you'll keep your message sharp, engaging, and leave your listeners hanging on to every word. But practice makes perfect, my friend. Spend quality time honing your presentation skills. Time yourself, tweak your delivery, and repeat until you achieve the level of polish required to captivate your audience within the allocated time frame. Remember, presentation is not a one-way street. It's an interactive experience. Take the opportunity to engage with your audience, inviting dialogue rather than a monologue. This not only demonstrates respect and courtesy, but also helps foster a deeper connection and engagement. Flexibility is key to success in any pitch situation. Be prepared to adapt on the spot, whether you need to trim down your content or add a dash of spontaneity. This agility will enable you to navigate any unexpected twists and turns with ease. And last but certainly not least, let's discuss the incredible power of visual aids. Utilize eye-catching images, compelling graphs, or minimalist icons that pack a punch. Leverage these visual tools to make your key points memorable, digestible, and visually stimulating. Feeling energized to conquer any time restrictions that come your way? Absolutely. Armed with these powerful strategies, you're not merely delivering a pitch, you're creating a captivating experience that resonates with your audience long after the presentation ends. Now, it's time to take your pitch game to the next level. Put these incredible techniques into practice and share your success stories with us. And hey, if you're hungry for more insider gems to navigate the ever-changing startup landscape, don't forget to hit that follow button. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Let's go out there, turn the spotlight in your favor, and achieve greatness together.